Septic systems are underground wastewater treatment systems that process household wastewater for homes that are not connected to a municipal sewer system. They consist of a septic tank and a drain field. When wastewater leaves the house, it's carried into the septic tank, where heavier solids settle to the bottom and the lighter materials float to the top, leaving a cleaner effluent that then flows to the drain field. Beneficial bacteria in the drain field remove harmful bacteria and viruses from the wastewater. A properly operating system will effectively remove 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. There are several different types of septic systems. Mound systems are common in Lake County, where heavy clay soils and shallow bedrock are common. Septic systems rely on beneficial bacteria in the drain field to function properly, so it's important to avoid putting harsh chemicals down the drain. Products labeled as toxic should never be put down the drain. Food grease, food waste, microfibers from laundry, Kleenex, and feminine products can all reduce the lifespan of your septic system, so it's best to keep these items from going down the drain. The only things that should be flushed down the toilet are human excrement and toilet paper. Septic systems can be overwhelmed by peaks in water usage, so it's best to spread out your water usage to avoid exceeding the capacity of your system. If possible, it's better to do 1 or 2 loads of laundry per day than many loads on a single laundry day. If you own a septic system, it's important to properly maintain it. The frequency with which you need to pump your septic tank depends on 3 factors: the number of people in your household, the amount of wastewater your household generates, and the volume of solids in your wastewater. Large construction projects on your property and the use of a garbage disposal will both increase the amount of solids in your wastewater. Septic systems should be evaluated by a professional every 3 years. During a site visit, an inspector will check to make sure that your tank, pump, alarms, and caps are all in good working order. They will also likely clean and pump your tank. Homeowners should also do a yearly check of their system themselves to make sure there are no problems with the tank or drain field. Make sure that the tank lids are secured, as tanks pose a drowning risk to children. Call a professional if you detect a problem. Signs of a problem include gurgling drains, backup into your house, a pump that stops working, a foul odor, or spongy ground or spots with lush vegetation on the drain field. Landscaping near the septic tank and on and around the drain field is fairly simple. Grass is the best cover because it will maintain a dense cover and help to prevent erosion. Mow grass regularly throughout the spring and summer, and let it grow a little longer heading into autumn so that it will provide insulation and help prevent your system from freezing. Remove any woody plants growing on your drain field. If you're planting new trees near your septic system, make sure to plant them at least 20 feet away and consider dwarf varieties. Avoid water-loving species and species with aggressive root systems. Make sure not to drive over your drain field with vehicles or heavy equipment, as it compacts the soil. Divert surface runoff from your roof, patio, and driveway away from your drain field. Septic systems don't last forever, and eventually they'll fail, but with proper maintenance, they'll last a lot longer.